Hey y'all. So let me make sure my volume up. Yep. So of course y'all know that I make handmade, homemade, all natural soaps, right? But what y'all also didn't know is that I make soap for dishes also. So the way the dish soap work, it has different oils and ingredients than your bath soap, of course. But if you use a bar soap for washing dishes, you never have to buy bottles and bottles and bottles of dishwashing liquid again. And I haven't bought dishwashing liquid in a lot of months, y'all. So one soap bar can last you a month. So the way it works is, so I always clean my sink before I wash dishes. So clean the sink out. Make clean dishes in a dirty sink, right, y'all? Can't make clean dishes in a dirty sink. So get my stopper in. So the way you use the dish bar soap is get your little mesh ball from the Dollar Tree or Walmart or Family Dollar. You wet your bar soap, and then you take your little mesh ball and you make the bubbles. Look how bubbly. Hold it under the water so it's, water hot there, hold up. We're making dishwater. Alright, so now I set my soap right here, and let's see, I got a little bowl to wash. So, you just wash your dishes in the soapy water, nice and clean. Oh, it's still hot, y'all. God, dog. Nice clean bowl. Nice clean bowl. And you never have to buy dishwashing liquid again. One bar will last you a month because with the mesh bar, you don't have to use as much soap. You use less soap and make more bubbles and lather and soap. And you just wash your dishes with the bar soap. And the water still gets sudsy. And there you go, saving money. Instead of buying bottles and bottles of dish detergent, have all them empty plastic bottles to throw away. That's bad for the environment. You got one little bar to last you a month. And get clean, sanitized dishes. Just like buying liquid detergent at the store. So that was my little video to show y'all that this is how our ancestors, great-grandparents and grandparents washed dishes before they even had Dawn and palm olive liquid dishwashing liquids. So let's bring the old school back and save some money, child, because I'm tired of buying all them bottles of dish detergent. Throwing them away every week, every 2 weeks. Gotta buy a bottle of dishwashing liquid. Child, please, miss me. So that was my little demonstration video on washing dishes. And of course, you see, you get nice clean dishes with saving all the money that you're buying and paying in the store. So y'all have a blessed day.